I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right file and why that matters. Pick an image at or above your display resolution to avoid blur. Once chosen, move it into a single folder so you can find it quickly. This prevents accidental edits or compression. Make sure the file format is PNG or high-quality JPG because smaller thumbnails often ruin clarity. If you use multiple monitors, note each screen's resolution now so you can match images correctly later. Now you adjust system settings to preserve that clarity. Open display settings and confirm the native resolution and scaling. Incorrect scaling can blur images. Then set the wallpaper mode to fill or fit based on aspect ratio so pixels aren't stretched. Fill for larger images, fit if cropping matters. Also, turn off automatic theme wallpapers or cloud sync that might replace your chosen image. Once done, preview at different window sizes and sign out and back in if your OS caches older previews. Finish by refining the file and handling problems. If slight blur remains, crop or export the image at the exact resolution of your screen so pixels map 1:1. If issues persist, clear the OS wallpaper cache or restart the graphics driver because cached thumbnails often cause fuzziness. Make sure to test a different high-res image to determine whether the problem is the file or system settings. If nothing fixes it, scale back to 100% display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.